Pass or fail. That is just absolutely hack. Hack all the way. That is the stairwell going to the second floor. The front door is right over here. There is a bathroom, not the best place for a bathroom, right above in here. Obviously, you can tell. I go to look at this and go, what the hell? What? You can't do this based on what it says in section 1005, cutting, drilling, and notching. This plumber was just a walking disaster with a Sawzall and a right angle drill. Picture this. The front of the house had to be taken off. The middle of the house had to be taken apart. Every one of those joists had to be completely removed. There was no sistering anything there to make it right. Look at it. And that was done by a plumber. If you're working with people that do like that, run. They do stuff like that, you run, because you learn those bad habits, it is going to come back and haunt you. That is just absolute insanity. And obviously, you know, by knowing me and knowing who I know, what happened to that plumber. But pass, fail, horribly fail.